Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how I got these press-on nails. They are looking like a full set, okay? A fresh full set. I'm so excited about these nails. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. So if you want to see how I achieved these nails, which are press-ons, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I've been through a lot of trial and error here, okay? But let's just show you what I'm using. So I have some 100% acetone here. I have my nail polish colors, the Clear Coat by Seche Vite and OPI. This is called my very first Knotless. I have a nail clipper here, a little Dollar Tree nail pack. That's where I got my Cuticle Pusher in this little brush here. The Gorilla Glue, this is what I'm using to adhere the nail onto my natural nail, a brush to clean up and to apply this right here, which is nail dehydrator. It's a DIY one, and it's 100% acetone and 91% isopropyl alcohol. Is half and half, so put half acetone, half alcohol, or you can buy a nail dehydrator online, okay? And I have my Cuticle Pusher if I haven't said that. All right. Okay, you guys, I almost forgot the most important part. These are the press-on nails that I got, and I got them from Amazon. I am going to put a link in the description box, so please check that out. So let's get to it. The first thing you want to do, you just want to make sure like your nails are clear of soap or any type of oils and stuff like that. You don't want that type of stuff on your hands. Now, I already pushed my cuticles back, but you're just going to take your cuticle pusher and just push your cuticles back. All right. Like I said, it's been some trial and error. All right. Then you want to take your file and you want to rough up your nail bed. Right. Okay, so then you want to use that little white brush to brush off the excess dust. Then I'm going to take this nail dehydrator, and please excuse any background noises, okay? It's some construction going on over here. And then I'm just going to paint the nail dehydrator on my nail bed to help get rid of any extra oils, and that's going to also help with the stickiness of the nail, the fact that it sticks on. So then I'm going to go ahead and take this glue here. Then I'm going to paint a little bit on my nail. The consistency is trash, okay? So be careful about that. And then I'm going to paint a little bit on the inside of the nail bed. And then what I like to do is kind of like play with the glue a little bit, kind of spread it around on my nail. And then I like to just place it back where my cuticle is first and press it down. Make sure that it's straight before I begin to press and hold, because this one was crooked the first time I did it. Okay, that's looking right to me. And then I'm just going to press and hold it down for 30 to 40 seconds. Then I just kind of like to pull it down and pull my skin down. And then like the glue that's oozing out from the sides and stuff, I just take my towel and kind of just wipe it off. This is my first time doing this, okay? So if these nails look trash right now and they looking crazy, I apologize, all right? Okay, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and cut your nails to your desired length. Just be careful. Let your nails dry down for at least about a minute or so before you start cutting them, and then you can proceed to file them. But okay, so I'm just trying to clean up my fingers a bit with the file. If you are clean and you're not messy like me, then you know, you don't have to worry about this part. Like, but this Gorilla Glue is holding it down. Like, it feels super secure. Okay, so after I do that, taking my little brush. This little brush is the GOAT, okay? And just cleaning everything up. Now, some of the videos that I watch, they're saying, you know, wait to wash your hands for a while. So I'm going to try to wait at least about an hour before I wash my hands. But now I'm just going to move on to polishing them. Quick tip, when you polishing your nails, make sure you have both of your polishes open, so that when you go to put your top coat on and stuff, you're not messing up your nails trying to open the bottle. So now I'm just going to go ahead and paint them. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't go with the pink. I went ahead and went with this blue color, and it's by Sonia Kashuk. I'm not sure if that's is even on sale because that polish is so old. But to clean up my nails, I just dip my brush into the alcohol. Don't judge me, okay? Because my nails is looking crazy right now. I mean, the acetone, I dip the brush into the acetone, and I just kind of wipe along the sides. And this is just how I clean up the excess polish, because I'm a little wild. So I did 2 coats of the blue and 1 coat of the Seche Vite Fast Drying Top Coat to finish everything off. And I actually went back and cut them a little shorter too. They were just a little bit too long. And yeah, this is how I'm going to clean them up. So I will be back with the finished product, okay? Because this is going to take me some time. Okay, you guys, so here are the results, just as you seen in the intro. After they dried for about an hour afterwards, I went ahead and washed them and put some coconut oil on my hands. Another thing I did was paint the underside of the nail, just because I didn't like the way the clear was looking, showing through on the bottom. But yeah, I love this. I'm so happy I found this out. Like, I can just have my nails done whenever I want, and I just love that, you know. So if you guys try this out, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section, or if you have any tips for me, if you've ever done this before, drop those tips in the comment section as well. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.